with satisfaction that 100 Yousaf Raza Gillani PhD scholarships were awarded to Bahauddin Zakariya University under the Faculty Development Program. These scholarships, collectively worth over 1 billion rupees, enabled young faculty members to pursue advanced studies and return as a stronger scholars, researchers, and mentors of our students. One of the female students, she's sitting on the stage. In addition to faculty development, substantial grants were provided to academic and institutional infrastructure in Multan, including the establishment of University of Gillani Law College and the Saraiki Area Study Center. These institutions continue to serve as important intellectual and cultural assets for the university and the wider region. Special emphasis was also placed on strengthening legal education along with practical support, such as hostels, transport facilities to improve campus life and accessibility of students and staff. These initiatives were guided by clear and consistent objectives. Capable students and no deserving academic from South Punjab should be deprived of opportunity due to lack of resources or access. I have also consistently advocated for strengthening educational infrastructure in Multan and South Punjab so that our young people are not compelled to leave their homes in search of quality education. Universities must serve as centers of learning, innovation, and social mobility within their own regions. As Chairman of the Senate, I continue to use the parliamentary platforms to underscore the centrality of education in national policy making. I have repeatedly called for curriculum reform, alignment of education with modern job market demands, and enhanced collaboration between Pakistani universities and reputable international institutions. Academic partnership, research collaboration, and innovation are essential in our institutions to remain globally relevant and nationally impactful. In all these efforts, one principle has remained constant. Teachers and academic staff are the backbone of the education system. Teachers are not merely employees of an institution. They are the builders of society. Nations rise or fall on the strength of their teachers. Buildings and policies alone cannot produce excellence. It is the scholarship, integrity, and moral authority of educators that shape minds and characters. Academic Staff Association therefore play a vital role not only in safeguarding professional rights but also in upholding academic standards, institutional harmony, and intellectual freedom. The oath you take today is not a mere formality. It is a solemn pledge to serve knowledge, to safeguard academic integrity, and place students' intellectual development above all other considerations. In a rapidly changing world, your responsibility has become even greater. You are entrusted with preparing students who can think critically, adapt confidently, and serve society responsibility, not only as professionals, but as informed and ethical citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's future depends on how well we educate our youth today. With a young population of about more than 60% today, with young politicians, immense potential, our success will be determined by quality of universities and the strength of academic community. I have full confidence that Bahauddin Zakariya University, guided by committed faculty, responsible administration, and student-centered vision, will continue to serve as a true engine of development for South Punjab and Pakistan. It has been brought to my notice that there is a fund, National Development Program and Social Development Fund, that has been given to some of the universities who have not performed very well. That is Quaid-e-Azam University, Islamia University, Bahawalpur University of Narowal. Quaid-e-Azam University given 2 billion. Islamic University Bahawalpur 1 billion, and University of Narowal 10 billion. I would request the government, the federal government, that though you have given to these universities who there has been a deficit in the budget and they have not performed too well, but the university which has performed very well, like Bahauddin Zakariya University, they should also be given the funds because they have performed well. They should not be punished because they have done well. This should be given to them. And now, as there had been previously, one of our colleague and a class fellow, he gave the campus to somewhere else and he faced the NAP. And today we legally, Ali Haider Gillani has given this facility that you can extend in the whole of Punjab. And that's a great contribution, and the first demand I'm putting before the Vice Chancellor to give this one campus to Shujabad, because Shujabad is very far from here. Jalalpur, Pirwala is even further, and Liaqatpur, Uch Sharif, and Alipur, and some part of Lodhra, that would cater the needs and for Shujabad. And of course, if we will ask the government and the Chief Minister of Punjab, Mariam Nawaz Sahiba, I think she will not say no. She will also say that Shujabad also belongs to her. Therefore, I request that that should be given the priority number 1.